In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot start audio service error 0x80070005. Access is denied in Windows 10 and 11. First thing, you gotta go to the search bar and search for services. Click enter, and here search for the audio. So it's gonna be called Windows Audio. So search in the W, and here it is. You should be able to find it. So it's Windows Audio. Right click and then go to properties, go to log on, and then check on local system account and check on this. Click apply and then click OK and see if this fixes your issue. Now let's say this doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is simply close this down and go to registry editor. Now here you want to go all the way up, and then you want to go to HK local machine, the first one, and then here you want to go to system. So inside of this one you want to go to system, and then inside of this one you want to go to current control set. So it should be this one, and inside of this go to services, and then here you want to search for the audio SRV. So you can type AUD and you should be able to find it easier. So it should be in the A sections. Just type, so inside services type AUD. So let's see if I can find it here. It should be here. So finally I found it. Here it is. So it's inside of services. It's audio SRV. So right click on it, and then you want to click permissions, then you want to click add, and then click advanced, and then find now, and here you want to find the administrator. So this is the one. Click on it, click OK, then OK, and then you want to make sure you give full control, and then click apply and OK. And then after this you can do the same thing, so for this time for the system, for the whole computer. So right click again, permissions, and then go to add, and then advanced, find now, expand this. So here you will find the system one. So you could also do the everyone one, also works the same way. So but here we're gonna find the system. So you're gonna scroll, and here's the system. Click OK, then OK, and then here it's already having full permissions, so that's good. So after that just click OK and you should be good. Try to restart your computer and hopefully this should fix your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.